Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see about the process dynamic encrypted data sharing scheme based on conditional proxy broadcast re-encryption for cloud storage. Then comes the abstract of our process. Since cloud service provider is a semi-trusted party in a cloud storage, to protect data from being disclosed, users' data are encrypted before being uploaded to a cloud server. Undoubtedly, the encrypted data sharing is a very important demand required by cloud storage users, whereas few schemes have been designed to satisfy this demand. So, in this paper, based on conditional proxy broadcast re-encryption technology, an encrypted data sharing scheme for secure cloud storage is proposed. The scheme not only achieves broadcast data sharing by taking advantage of broadcast encryption, but also achieves dynamic sharing that enables adding a user to and removing the user from the sharing groups dynamically. Moreover, by using proxy re-encryption technology, our schemes enables the proxy cloud server to directly share encrypted data to the target users without the intervention of data owner while keeping data privacy, so that greatly improves the sharing performance. Meanwhile, the correctness and the security are proved. The performance is analyzed and the experiment results are shown to verify the feasibility and efficiency of the proposed scheme. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So the flow diagram shows our process diagrammatically. So here comes the broadcast center users on the cloud. So here the user has to register and log in to access our system. Once the user has registered into a system, the broadcast service should add the the broadcast service should add the user, and then only the user can log in. So once the user has logged in, so the user can share data with their keys, that is the symmetric key in the public key. So, and also the user can search for the data, and also by using the key, the user can decrypt and download the data. And the cloud server's job is to accept the key from the users and to distribute to other users, and also to revoke the users from the process. Then comes the running procedure of our process dynamic encrypted data sharing scheme based on conditional proxy broadcast re-encryption for cloud storage. So first we have to run the home.java page. So this is our home page, so click here. So here it shows the registration form and the login form. So first we have to register. So the client was registered, so we have to wait for the broadcaster center approval. So here we have to log in. So here is the page for the broadcast center, that is the broadcast manager login page. So the login was success. So here broadcast center manager can view the new user registered and can add to the group. So once the permission was granted, we can now log into the page. So he successfully logged in. So here we have to generate the public key, and also this must be sent to the cloud server. So here I am generating the public key. So this is the public key. So here I am going to send to the cloud server. So key forward to the cloud server. So now we have to log in as a cloud server. So now we have to add. So now we have to add user. So that is the added user will provide the key. So here I have to accept the key and also generate the re-encryption key. So the re-encryption key was generated and you have to send to the users. So once sent, the user can receive the re-encryption key and go for the next process. So this is the next process. So that is saving and the search process. So here I'm going to save my data. So browse. So here I'm going to select my data. So here I'm selecting the data. So this is the content of the file. I'm going to encrypt. So now we have to provide the public key and the re-encryption key which we have generated and obtained from the cloud server. So the file was encrypted successfully and then asks for the re-encryption key. So this is the re-encryption key for the process. So it was re-encrypted successfully. So let's go for the next process. So here I am giving any keyword like so I am giving keyword means so it is contained in two files. So here I am taking the another user file. So I am getting the key and I am decrypting the content and again decrypting. So the original content was decrypted and viewed. So then next comes the revoke process for the cloud server. So we can revoke any user. So it gives the list of users, and here we can revoke any users. So for example, I'm here revoking means so the person will be revoked. That is, the person was no longer available in the group. So that's all about our process. Thank you.